Guys, welcome to Tomar tutorial. I am Abhishek Tomar. Here I teach you MongoDB. Okay. Now we are comes to the lecture. We comes to the lecture 6. Insert the document into the MongoDB. Before this, we have discussed how to create and drop the database, and after that we have discussed how to create and drop the collection. And what is the collection? I have already told you. Before inserting the document into the MongoDB, we have just seen what is the JSON format data. In previous videos, I have told you that the MongoDB support only JSON format data and how JSON look like. It is it is it is that and how JSON data is work and how it is look like, and the field and the value of the field is separated by the colon. If there are too many one and more than fields, then they are separated by the commas. If they are one and more document inside any collection, then they are going to in the array and they are separated by the comma also. Okay, now comes to the practical way how the document is inserted into the MongoDB. Type If you didn't know what is MongoDB, then you have to go my previous lecture, lecture 2 and lecture 3, how to set the path of MongoDB and what is Mongo Chef. Okay, the port number 27017 has been started for MongoDB. Comes to the Mongo Chef. This is the graphical user interface for running the query of the MongoDB. You can also run the query in the command prompt, as I already told you. Make a connection here. This is already make connection, previously make connection and Intel shell. So firstly I have to insert the document inside the collection. So how many databases are present in the MongoDB? Show DBs. There are three databases. We will use Abhishek. Now we switched into the database Abhishek. Switch to the DB Abhishek. How many collections are present inside the Abhishek? Show collections and run. There are two collections present inside the Abhishek. Okay, what is the document inside these collections? Let's we show by command db dot collection name. Demo is the collection name, demo dot find. Okay, here is one document inside the demo collection. db dot test dot find. There is no any document inside the collection. Okay, sorry for error. Find. There is no such type of document inside the test. Okay, now how can we insert the document? Let us see. Firstly, you have to type db, means current working database, dot collection name. If you want to create a new collection, then you have to give the name of here. Now I am giving name demo1 dot insert. The data consists the curly braces. I have some data. This data is inserted like that. Let us see. This is the data. Copy from here. Control. Okay, select the whole command here to here. If we press run this, write result and inserted one. Okay, let us see how result has been inserted. db.demo1.find command. This is the data inserted inside the MongoDB. This is look like in the form of JSON. You can see in the form of tree. Here is the data. You can see in the form of table. This is the data. Okay, but in the JSON format it looks pretty. Okay, we have inserted 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 fields inside the document, but here is another field underscore id, object id. It is the There is no need to define the primary key in the MongoDB, so it gives the by default object id to every document. It is given to every document into the MongoDB. Okay, so this is how we insert the one document inside the MongoDB. Now if we want to insert the many of the document inside the MongoDB, then we have to use an array. As we have discussed here, we have to use array. Okay, so how we insert, let us see. db.demo1.insert. Okay, you have gives only curly braces. After that you gives the big bracket here and insert the whole documents. We have inserted document 1, so let us try another document. We insert from second and third employee. Okay, let us see here. We insert two document. Copy from here. Okay, select the whole command from below to top. Here is db.insert and run this. Okay, two results are inserted into the document. Now total 3 document present in the demo1 collection. Let us see how. db.demo1.find. Okay, there are 3 documents inserted inside the demo1 collection, and every document provided a object id by default by the MongoDB. There is no need to declare the primary key. This is the primary key for the MongoDB document, which is already given by MongoDB to every document. Okay, now the beauty of the MongoDB is that I have already told you that it is schema free. If you want to insert less amount, means the data which have no structure, means I have a data I will show you here. The fields are arranged in the type employee name, file, last name, age, salary. But in this data, firstly we have declared age, last name, file name, means the fields are disordered. If we try to insert this document, let us see what happen. Copy only one. Okay, again insert db.demo1.insert. Okay, run this. Select the whole command and run this. It is also inserted inside the MongoDB collection. Because of schema free, there is no problem inserting the disordered data. Let us see how it is inserted. db.insert db.demo1 collection name, demo1.find. Let's see how the 4 data is look like, in which order we have inserted it accept. Okay, let us see the table view. See this, employee name 5, first name Kumar and last name this, means we insert the data any of the order, MongoDB is correct that automatically. This is the property of this, that it is schema free, having the schema free database. Okay, so it is all about the how to insert the document inside the MongoDB. I have seen you how to insert one document and how to insert many documents. If you are using one or more document, then you have to use the array form. You have to firstly take the big braces. After that you have insert the data, and the data is separate. Document are separated by the semicolon and inside the curly braces. Okay, this is all about how to insert the document inside the MongoDB. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys learned something. For more update and videos, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you.